Hello Year 8. Today we are going to be looking at reviewing all of our knowledge and understanding on settlements so far. So attached to your Satchel 1 are these knowledge organisers. So you've got two sheets of all of the things that we've done in your settlements unit. Your job today is going to be to create revision materials based on the knowledge organiser, plus any of your own notes that you have at home. What I'm expecting from you are at least 3 different forms of revision today. So in your Satchel 1 I've listed all the different forms of revision that you could be choosing from, or if there's something else that you want to try, then have a go at that as well. I'm going to show you 3 different examples today that you could try based on the knowledge organisers. So let's have a look first of all at key cards. So let's imagine that you have your key cards. Find my pen, where's it gone? There it is. It's upside down. Good. Okay. Sorry, let's imagine that you have your key cards here. So this is your front one. And this is the back of the same key card. Apologies for my poor drawing. So on the front of my key card, so let's imagine we're doing settlement patterns and I'm going to do a card for nucleated settlement. I might write on it the word, and then on the back I would put the definitions. So buildings structured around a point, such as a bridge or a town square, and then I would put my diagram as an example. Okay, so I would do that for nucleated, linear and dispersed. Let's have a think about another example that you could use though. So if I was doing a mind map, let's say I was doing a mind map on greenfield and brownfield sites. So I would have my mind map, so let's say have my central idea, and then I need to add details. Now, when I do a mind map, I'm not going to be adding full sentences or anything like that, so I might put the greenfield, and then I'll have some branches off of it, so previously unused, might put that it might be open land, could be protected. I might add some details about the fact that it's more expensive to build on, and so on. I could then add my detail about brownfield and do the same there, so that it's disused land, has existing gas or electric supplies, it's cheaper to build on or buy. That should be EA. So you can see that I'm not giving loads and loads of detail, but I am putting in the most important information. Obviously yours would be much neater than mine. Your final example, and remember you don't have to use these, but these are some examples that you could use, is dual coding. So let's say I was doing land use in towns. So let's have a go at this. So dual coding is where you turn things into pictures to make it more memorable. So for example, in towns and cities, some of the land use might be for things like universities. So I might draw a book. It could also be used for religion, so I might draw a church. It could be used for housing, but quite often flats in a city, so I might put flats. It could be used for offices, so I might put something that would represent work for me, so maybe an office chair, some wheels. It could be used for music and sports venues, so I might do some musical notes and a badly drawn football. But the idea behind it is that these things would then prompt me into remembering what those things are. So you can see I've given you some examples of the kinds of things I'm asking you to do. If you have any questions, please give me a shout. If you need any help, please give me a shout. Once you've completed your revision materials, you need to upload evidence of them to Satchel 1 in preparation for your quiz next lesson. Good luck!